I'm just thinking here. I saw something very horrifying just today, and I'm about to see it again. It's called the Fridge Monster, and it will haunt my life forever. You want to check it out? Are you sure? I'll show you the proof. Follow me. Now I'm going to try to get something to eat. Now, the Fridge Monster only can have insults to a person who opens the fridge, and you know there must be stale, rotten food in there, because I'm telling you, he does not like unwanted company. Oh my God! Is it you, Fridge Monster? Oh my God.
Holy fuck. What is this shit?
Wait a minute, who are you talking to, Fridge Monster? Look.
Put a damn shirt on.
Well, you know what? I'm sorry to say this, but you're not horrifying me today. I have a shirt on.
You look like 200 pounds of bird shit.
Oh man, you've taken it too far, man. Too freaking far. Because I am not 200, but therefore 280. So you are politically incorrect, or incorrect in general. So you know what? I'm not going to stand this.
I'm going to get you.
Strangling you too. You know what? You're going to die before you know it. I'm strangling the Fridge Monster right now. I think he's really dead and gone. And alright, I found the Fridge Monster, and he is horrifying. Say hi, Fridge Monster.
Hello.
Fridge Monster wants to say hi to the camera. I just tamed the Fridge Monster, and the Fridge Monster does not like it. So there you go. The Fridge Monster in the flesh. Good night and goodbye.